Do you feel like accountants or CPAs, are they better or worse than other professionals that you work with when it comes to handling conflict or handling disagreements?
That's a great question. I remember back in the day when I was doing audits, I was actually in the small business and emerging business office for Coopers and Lybrand. And as a CPA, I remember, you know, getting into conversations with the owners of the businesses, and I was witnessing their own conflict at the time. Little did I know I'd be doing this work one day. But reflecting on myself as a CPA, I mean, and my colleagues at the time, and even an internal audit with the Coca-Cola company, a lot of CPAs on the audit team, and we're everyday human people, right? We feel things and experience things in our professional and personal lives like anybody else. But there's something about the skepticism that we have, in particular, well, not just auditors, I should say tax accountants as well, or any kind of CPA, but we're trained, there's a very disciplined training. And I think because it's such a focused profession. I mean, we're focusing on standards and rules and trying to make sure that whether it's compliance or auditing or tax reporting, there's so many things to focus on and stay up on that I don't say it masks our humanness at all, but I think we're so engaged in that, and the profession is demanding. I know there's a lot of talk these days about the pipeline into the profession and how it's like I was in those days when it was work hard,
Mm.
go in at 7 and get off at 11 at night kind of thing. And you just did it, but it's not a healthy lifestyle. And I know that the profession, like many professions, are trying to adjust to actually bringing back into it that humanness and that work-life balance, whatever you want to call it. So do I think CPAs how do they measure against other professions or people? I think we're all people, and the demands of the job are what they are.